Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about Zairp, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. New AI web app will write, optimize, post and rank content for all your sites, or client sites, for any keyword and all location worldwide. The perfect blend of real artificial intelligence and automation to handle every step of the niche site process. Over $5,000 in prizes over 3 phases. Proven, recurring income funnel for long-term earnings. The perfect offer and the perfect time, with the perfect angle. What is Zairp, and see how easy it is to have Zairp handle all your SEO for you.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick invitation to join me for my very first launch of 2021, which is going down on March 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are releasing what could easily be our most exciting project to date, because we are doing things that are truly changing the game when it comes to what we've created, okay? And also, this is a product that has never been done on JVZoo. So we are literally the first platform to sell this kind of product on JVZoo. So we have a massive angle of being a true game changer, and a massive angle of being a first to market product on JVZoo. Plus, when you see the demo, you're gonna just fall out of your chair, because what we've created is truly that powerful. And the product is actually called Create, okay? And what it is we have blended the power of artificial intelligence with content generation, okay? Yes, you heard that correctly. We've blended artificial intelligence with content generation. So your customers will be able to log into our platform and within 90 seconds have a complete article written for them in any major niche that they want. Okay, so they can now get access to content for all of their money sites in a matter of seconds. Okay, and we're gonna have all the major niches covered, and we have a ton of niches planned over the next year or so that we're gonna be adding as well. So this is easily gonna be the biggest and best content generation, artificially intelligent content generation platform on JVZoo, okay? We have completely changed the game when it comes to content generation, and I can guarantee you that when you look at the articles that I'll be posting below, which are samples of what Create has been able to generate, you will not be able to tell the difference between a human written article and an article created by our artificial intelligent platform, Create. Okay, so this is extremely exciting. Make sure you mark this down on your calendar, March 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna have a 5 to 6 day launch. We're gonna have a ton of prizes. We're gonna have everything that you need to put together a successful promotion right below this video. As you know, I always provide everything, swipes, great actual valuable bonuses, and everything else that you should need. So this is gonna be a monster launch. It just has all of these signals of being a monster launch, a first to market product, something that's truly helpful, something that's unique, something that's actually going to be used by your customers, and we're going to set it at an insane value. So make sure you mark this down. It's going to be big, and I look forward to having you on board.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.